Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Voiceflow tutorial video, and today we are going to be going over the random block. Now, the random block allows you to add spontaneity and randomness into your Alexa skills. It's a very simple block. It essentially allows you to pick a random path for your user, but yeah, let's dive right in. So as you can see here, we have a lot of stuff on the screen, and don't worry, I'll explain this in just a second. So essentially what we want to do in this little skill is I have a loop here, which is going to loop 3 times and then exit. And you can see here it's going to increase. And what we want to do is have the user say, my favorite color is, and then it's going to randomly pick between red, you can see here red, blue, and green. And so this is a perfect spot to use a random block. So let's do it. We can go over to our logic section here, and you'll see the random block. We'll be able to pull it in, and it will look kind of like a choice block in that we can add different paths, and you'll see there are numbered paths here. So every time we add one, the random block extends down and adds another path, and we can go down to 1 path. So let's hook our random block up here, and what we're going to do is create 3 different paths for the 3 different colors. Okay, so now we have 3 different paths, and we'll hook these up. Okay, great. Now what's going to happen is every single time the random block gets activated, it's going to choose a random color from these 3. And that's very simple, but of course, true random means that sometimes we will get duplicates. So for example, the user might 2 times in a row say red. And so if we don't want that, we can have output random entry selected to on the random block, or we can select no duplicates. And when this is turned on, it means if the random block is activated twice in a row, as it's going to be in our example here with the loop, it will never do red twice or green twice or etc. It's going to make sure that it always is true random. However, for this example, though, we will let it be true random as it's a little bit more fun. So let's watch the random block in action here. I'll upload this to Alexa. Now you can have, one thing to note is you can have tons of different sort of options on your random block. You can have up to hundreds. However, sometimes it is better to have less than 10, as it can get a little bit unmanageable if you have too many, and it can also slow down your Alexa skill. Okay, Echo, open Braden test.
My favorite color is green. My favorite color is red. My favorite color is blue.
There you go. So this time we actually did have no duplicates, which is great. However, that was true random. So with that, you can see that's how the random block works. It's incredibly powerful and a lot of fun. And we hope you guys are able to build some amazing Alexa skills with it. All right, Braden from Voiceflow signing off. I'll see you in the next video.